Hello and welcome to today's speaking practice test. The cue card of the day is describe a memorable childhood experience. You should say who were you with during this experience, when and where did it take place, how did you feel during that time, and explain what impact did this experience have on you. Here are some quick tips for you. Remember the past, present, and future rule while making notes before you talk. Don't speak too quickly. Keep talking until the examiner stops you after 2 minutes. When I was a kid, one of the best moments was when I learned to ride a bike. I was about 7 years old when it happened. It was a sunny day and we were on the quiet streets near my house. My dad was there too, helping me learn how to balance and pedal. Learning to ride a bike was a mix of feeling. I was excited and a bit scared. I held on to the handlebars tightly, trying to keep my balance. Each time I pushed the pedals, I wondered if I would be able to stay upright. With my dad cheering me on, I slowly started to get the hang of it. Even though I fell a few times and got some scrapes, I didn't give up. Finally, I got it right, and it felt amazing to ride down the street, feeling the wind in my hair. This experience had a profound impact on me beyond the simple act of riding a bike. It taught me the value of persistence and resilience in the face of challenges. Learning to ride a bike taught me that if I keep trying, I can overcome challenges. It showed me the importance of having someone supportive like my dad to help me along the way. And most importantly, it gave me the freedom to explore and have fun. Back then, learning to ride a bike made me feel really proud and free. Now, it reminds me to keep trying, even when things are tough. And in the future, I want to approach new challenges with the same determination and know that with support, I can do anything. Part 3 of the IELTS speaking test involves a deeper discussion with the examiner on topics related to the theme introduced in Part 2. It usually lasts around 4 to 5 minutes. This part aims to assess your ability to express and justify opinions, analyze on issues, and engage in more complex conversations. How do childhood experiences shape a person's personality in adulthood? Childhood experiences greatly influence a person's personality in adulthood by shaping their beliefs, values, and behaviors. Positive experiences like love and support from family can lead to confidence and resilience, while negative experiences such as trauma or neglect can impact emotional well-being. Do you think modern technology has changed the way children experience childhood? How? Modern technology has changed childhood experiences by altering the way children interact, play, and learn. While technology offers new opportunities for education and entertainment, excessive screen time can reduce physical activity, social interaction, and creativity. Why is it important for parents to encourage outdoor activities for their children? Encouraging outdoor activities for children is important for their physical health, emotional well-being, and cognitive development. Outdoor play fosters creativity, imagination, and problem-solving skills. In what ways can schools foster creativity and imagination in children? Schools can foster creativity and imagination in children by providing opportunities for open-ended exploration and hands-on learning. Encouraging risk-taking and critical thinking in a supportive environment nurtures creativity and allows children to express themselves authentically. What role do family traditions play in shaping a child's sense of identity? Family traditions play a significant role in shaping a child's sense of identity by providing a connection to their cultural heritage, values, and beliefs. Participating in family rituals and celebrations instills a sense of belonging and pride in one's roots. How can society support children with diverse backgrounds and experiences to ensure their well-being? Providing access to resources such as education, healthcare, and social services ensures all children have the opportunity to thrive. Creating safe and supportive environments where children feel valued and respected regardless of their background, fosters their well-being, and promotes a more inclusive society.